Hey y'all, welcome back to Taste Fashion. So today I'm going to be doing a polygel set on my left hand. This is the polygel that I ordered a while ago from Amazon, and this is the same one we're going to be using today. Instead of using the nail forms, we're going to be using these clear nail tips to apply the polygel on. So now I'm just going to go ahead with my nail prep and dehydrator, just to go ahead and prep those real nails to help protect them and to also help bind the nail extension along with the nail tips. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use my e-nail file and blend out the tips of these nails so they can look more natural, and to also take off any extra shine that's on top of the nail tips. Okay, while I'm doing this, if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below so I can get better at my craft. Also, if you have any suggestions for using polygel and the actual nail tips, please let me know as well. I'm just going to go ahead and e-file each and every finger here. And hopefully, this set comes out really pretty because this is my first time doing the nail tips with the polygel. So we're going to see how these turned out together. Okay y'all, so I'm done filing and blending out the nail tips, and this is how they look so far. I'm just going to go ahead and dust off the extra dust particles from these nails before I go apply the application. Of course, I use my Model 1's nail primer to help bind my nails, and it's also a prep step for me. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is apply the polygel extension to my nails, possibly go ahead and file them, shape them, and buff them out. And once I'm done doing that, I'll be back with the final results. Okay y'all, so this is how they look after I shaped them a little bit, applied the polygel extension, and I did cut them down a little bit more. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go with my hand file and file them down on the sides, possibly make them slimmer and make sure that my shape is going to be perfect. So I'm going to do that now. When I was applying the polygel nail extensions to my nail tips, it was very hard for me, being that the polygel extension was very sticky and tacky. I'm not sure if I didn't have enough solution on it or it's just this brand. It has always been like this with me, but this time it was super sticky and super tacky. So just keep in mind whenever you're doing polygel nail extensions to put enough solution on it whenever you do even it out with your nail brush. Okay, now that I finished following using my hand nail file, this is how they turned out. Now I'm just gonna go with my e-nail file and file around the cuticle area, and I'm also gonna be filing the top as well. Be careful to use your e-nail file to your own speed, and just make sure that you don't cut your cuticle area or anything like that. You want to be extra careful. I know sometimes I go pretty fast and have to slow down, but let's just make sure that you're not gonna cut yourself or anything like that. I think it was at this point where I started to believe that the sand band wasn't working as good as the thumb was, just because of the polygel nail extension. So I'm really gonna finish up this nail and maybe do the next one, and then after that I'm gonna see if it's gonna continue to work good or do I have to change the band. But look like I'm just gonna go ahead and change it, so I'll be right back after I finish filing them. Okay, y'all, so this is how they look after I filed them, shaped them up even more, and buffed them out with my nail buffer. And this is the final result after I applied the top gel polish, also add some cuticle oil, and I love how they came out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.